Hey, welcome back. Last time we learned about opposite words. Today we have 8 more. Remember, opposite words mean very different things from each other, like the sun and the moon. Okay, let's go. Look at this dog's scarf. That scarf is very, very long. It goes on and on. And now the scarf is very short. It's tiny. There's almost nothing there. Long and short. Opposites. Look at this bicycle. It's new. See how shiny and clean it looks? And this one is old. The paint is coming off. It's been used for a long, long time. New and old. Opposites. Look at this car. Not a spot on it. It's very clean, nice and shiny. And now, mud everywhere. This car is very dirty. Clean and dirty. Opposites. It's raining, and this dog is all wet. Water is dripping everywhere. And now the sun is out. The dog is all dry. No water at all. Wet and dry. Opposites. This lion is roaring. It's very, very loud. You can hear it from far away. And this little mouse is being very quiet, not making a sound. Loud and quiet. Opposites. Look at this room. The sun is coming in. It's very light. You can see everything. And now it's night time. Same room, but it's very dark. You can't really see anything. Light and dark. Opposites. Think about this teddy bear. Imagine holding it. It's very soft, like a cloud. And this rock? It's very hard. You can't push it. You can't bend it. Soft and hard. Opposites. Look at this book. So many pages. It's very thick. And this book has only a few pages. It's very thin. Thick and thin. Opposites. All right, let's see what you remember. Look at this scarf on the dog. Is it long or short? It's long. What about this car? Is it clean or dirty? It's dirty. And this room? Is it light or dark? It's dark. What about this teddy bear? Is it soft or hard? It's soft. And this book? Is it thick or thin? It's thick. Nice. So today we learned 8 more pairs of opposite words. Long and short. New and old. Clean and dirty. Wet and dry. Loud and quiet. Light and dark. Soft and hard. Thick and thin. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Bye.